Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Windows Defender Firewall on Microsoft Surface Pro 9. And to do this, we'll need to click on the Start, open your settings. Here on the bottom there's Privacy and Security. We want to go for Windows Security. Inside, select the Firewall. Then there's three different options: domain network, private network, and public network. You need to click on each of them and disable the firewall, just like that. Go back. Do the same thing with domain, private, and lastly public. And if you want to activate it back, simply perform the same steps but in reverse. So activate Windows Defender on all of them. Just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.